name is Venkatesh Korgonda, and I am the co-founder of Atom to Byte community. So it's been a good year for us, starting the community and having a great team and getting forward with some more. Like, I'm very obsessed with the events we have done, and I'm very happy, and I can't express that in words. So we were just two people with with whom this community has started, Arib and me, and we are like, what we can do. We are just two people. We have to get people into the track what we are thinking. So now we are having some more people around us to work for the same cause, to work for the cause that to serve society, which is making me so happy that yeah, there are many people who wants to serve community and who wants to serve society. So as we have decided to rewind the 2020, I want to rewind a bit 2020 what we had for Atom to Byte. So we started the idea of starting. We have got 5-6 months ago, like in June month, and after that, the work which we started, like we were two, and the maximum work we have thought to do is like we'll write modules and we'll release them. We will publish them on our own. The first module which we have written was computer basics, which was written targeting people who don't know anything about computer, and we published that module, and after that we have written some other modules, and then we have started making videos on our YouTube channel, and we have got an idea that we should start a YouTube channel. So basically, YouTube is the only platform where we can express ourselves visually, and which helps students a lot. So we decided that we would start a YouTube channel. So in that process, we started YouTube channel, and on the name of Atom to Byte. And that was quite a bit successful. Like, we didn't expect that great response from audience, and yeah, we were so obsessed with whatever works we have, whatever the love which was shown by our viewers and the people who are with us. See, two people who don't have a proper strength in the sense of manpower, now are doing great in social media. And see, we are not that type of people who wants to earn money from social media. Our only motive is to share the knowledge, and we are very successful in sharing that. Our every video is reaching people, so it means like we are so happy that our people is watching us and watching our videos which are being helpful for them. That was so great the Atom to Byte community has started. And after that, we have got our team into act, and see, then what I can say, I'm getting short of words. Our team started working together, and everyone started responding to us. See, we are not giving any salaries to anyone, we are not offering any packages to anyone, we are just asking them to work with us, and that is for a noble cause to serve education. And people who are working with us, I am very thankful for you, and big thanks to all of you that you started working together, and you started working with us for the noble cause, and that is making me so happy. So yes, 2020 is not a great year we had, because we all know what has happened. I don't want to remember everything, and I don't want to rewind that all things here. I just want to rewind the good we had in 2020. So for all of us, like, see, for people who don't have proper knowledge on computers and everything, we have come up with a solution that we can share the least we had. We can. I'm very happy with that, and we even had two successful events in the name of social talks. The first one with a great author who has written 2 3 books, and then we had great doctor who's very good in communicating with patients. we all have we all are very thankful for the chief guest we had. Basically from the management side, I am very thankful कि आप लोग ने इतना सपोर्ट दिया हमें. We have not expected this, and I'm very thankful for this, and I'm hoping the same support will be shown in the upcoming year, and sure 2021 we are coming, and we are going to have a great year. Believe and go on, and never stop learning and never stop working. Thank you.